In previous videos, we have discussed the fill handle in Excel, which you can use to copy down data in your spreadsheet. It can be a quick and easy way of saving time when it comes to copying data in a linear series. What you may not be aware of is if you right-click and drag, you'll be given an extra set of menu options which you can use to adjust how the fill handle behaves. You can see here by right-clicking and dragging, once I let go, I then get this menu appearing. We can copy the cells like for like. We can also fill them in a series, which is the standard behavior you'll tend to find from the fill handle. You can also fill with or without formatting if it's applied. And if you're using dates, you can also adjust how the fill handle displays dates in terms of days, weekdays, months, and years. You can also see we can use linear trends and growth trends, as well as flash fill, which we've discussed in a separate video. For the purpose of today's video, you'll notice the last option we have is the series option. If you select this, you'll be able to tweak exactly how the fill handle behaves when you're using this on your data. You can see we have 3 columns here. We can adjust how the series displays, whether it be in rows or columns. We can choose the type of series, whether that be linear, growth, date, or autofill. And you'll notice the linear option is the default behavior here as well. And as already mentioned, we can also display the data using date units. If our data needed to be in a trend, we could select this tick box here, but the bottom 2 values here are also the more useful ones as well. We can choose the step value option here, which dictates how many steps our data goes up by, and we can also specify a stop value as well. So for example here, normally the fill handle would make my data go from 1 to 10 or however many steps I want to take. In this case, I can change this so that it goes up by 2 every time, and I'm going to set the limit or the stop value as 10. So you'll now see once I hit OK, what's happening is the fill handle will only fill the data that I've asked it to do so, and it's done this now in the new step that I've asked it to do. So we're going up by 2 each time. So we've got 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and it's then cut off before it gets to 10. So by right-clicking and dragging using the fill handle, you'll get a few more extra options that you can use to really adjust and refine how the data is displayed when you're using the fill handle. Remember to make all of these adjustments. All you need to do is right-click and drag from the bottom right-hand corner where the fill handle is located, and then select the series option to display this window here.